Hey, BOLO buddies. I found this listing tonight and I found it to be very, very interesting. So I kind of wanted to point it out to you. This auction started at 99 cents. If you kind of look at some of these pictures and all of these coins, this is a massive, huge, huge collection. Kind of wanting your feedback on this one. I know there's coin collectors in the group and I'm very, very interested to get your take on this. It's just, I have trouble comprehending what I'm seeing. Anyway, if you go down, you can kind of look at the description. And it says estate sale liquidation. And their username is estate sale liquidators, but they have 0 feedback. So I'm guessing maybe this is their first item they've ever listed on eBay. I don't know. Anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. I want to hear comments. I guess I should say I want to see comments. Lots of information. Do you guys think this is legit? I mean, look at all these coins. How is this? Oh my goodness. Never seen anything like it. And the bid is at $15,300. There's 52 bids, but my thing that I think is weird is that there is no watchers, which is weird because I have it on my watch list. So maybe it's just a error in the listing. And 60-day returns and free shipping. Anyway, subscribe to my channel and I'll be posting more BOLOs and tips and tricks and lots of fun stuff. So just click subscribe below and click the alerts button. That way you get alerts when I post new videos on my channel. And again, please comment below what you think about this auction. And click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Thanks for watching.